But actually the name, if we speak about Jesus, the first begotten in the Gospels, it says the only begotten, and then it changes to the first. The word Paul chooses there is the word that we translate as the very first of something, the prototype, that everything else is made to that standard. So Jesus was the prototype for us to be born as sons and daughters of God, brothers and sisters of Jesus, to be co-heirs of what God has promised us. And then part of my inheritance is not just to go to heaven, but it's to have a lasting relationship with the Father now. Because I am called righteous in Jesus Christ, meaning I have a right standing with the Father.